What's the meaning of community policing? Community policing. Community policing.
Community policing. Community policing. Community policing is a law enforcement strategy that aims to establish a collaborative relationship between the police and the communities they serve. It involves the active participation of community members in identifying and solving local crime and safety issues. The main goal of community policing is to build trust and mutual respect between the police and the community, leading to a safer and more peaceful environment. The result of successful community policing is a reduction in crime rates, improved public safety, and a stronger sense of community among residents.